Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add boomerangs to your Tinder account. Boomerangs are short, looping videos that can make your profile stand out and showcase your personality. So let's dive in. First, open the Tinder app on your mobile device. Then go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on Edit, which is like a pen icon right here. Scroll to the media section and tap on the plus icon to add a photo or video, then tap on upload from library. Before going any further, Tinder does not allow you to film a boomerang from their app, so you guys need to install a third-party app or record it from apps like Instagram. Then you can tap on upload from profile, then select any boomerang video you want by first tapping on the videos on the bottom, then selecting the video. And that's it. Boomerang are a fun way to catch attention on Tinder. Try it out and let your profile shine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.